I've got to take my flowers out. All right. All right then. And I don't want anyone kicking me. No one kicking me. All right, you promise? Because I've got to check the flowers out. Oh!
Gabby.
Who did that? Who was it? Dan kicked me. Was it you kicking me, Daniel? No, no kicking me. Let me check out the flowers again. Who was that? You or you? Don't you dare kick me. It was Dan, was it? Oh, well, I'm going to spank Dan's bottom then. Shall I spank his bottom? Who was that? You? It was you? Was that you? Well, that was very naughty. You won't do it to me, will you? You won't do it to me, Mimi, will you? And what is so funny about that? What is so funny about that?